Even when I fall your hand, you still there hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace. Now you they bust my brain every night and day. Daddy where they pamper, daddy where they bless. Forever you're my father, now you they give me rest. When I look around, I see your faithfulness. I bow down on my knees, cause now you will be the best.
Okay, Netega. You are Alpha and Omega. Your goodness and mercy, they follow me up like say I'm a new convert. Who can battle with the Lord now? Not even Mayweather. Lord Jesus, on the cross of Calvary, you don't fall our hands because you're mine day. You dey bust our brain on a daily basis, but on your head, now the blood come out from. God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, you made all things beautiful in your time with no makeup. You collect those things that be not as though they were. That's why you did tell Lazarus to wake up. I don't come here to conquer Pixellab because this one not be bobo. You say cast your bread upon the living waters, and when I do so, when I come see I'm not jumbo. But sometimes we dey lose God like long Lugard. But it's still a surprise, Ronaldo, how you did they show us mercy. Because the path of the just is like a shining light that shines brighter and brighter onto a perfect day. We always step into prepared blessing. If God puts you on, no man will switch you off. So who art thou, O great mountain? What did they worry? Who you be with God there? God is more real than Madrid. I say God is more real than Madrid. If God hand they on top your matter, be rest assured say you go occupy space. Baba, we will not come here to do anything. We are just grateful. We are grateful for amazing grace.
Can we sing it together? Say, even when I fall your hand, you still there hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, sing about your grace. Now you they bust my brain every night and day. Daddy where they pamper, daddy where they bless. Forever you're my father, now you they give me rest. When I look around, I see your faithfulness. I bow down on my knees, cause now you sing. Even when I fall your head, even when I fall your hand, you still there hold my hand. Hey, lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, sing about your grace. Now you gave us my brain every night and day. Daddy, where they pamper, daddy, where they bless. Forever you're my father, now you they give me rest. When I look around, I see your faithfulness. I bow down on my knees, cause now you will be.
You fully load me with benefits. Every day of my life, and they collect back to back, woto. I stand amazed in your presence, knowing that you can do far beyond what I think nor imagine. Amazing God, you always come true for me. You are my refuge and my fortress. Without you, this life is worthless. God of the hills and the valleys, God of the men and the puppies. I say God of the hills and the valleys, God of the men and the puppies. All sufficiency. With you there is no emergency. I say with you there is no emergency. You forgive my sins and grant me amnesty. You forgive my sins and grant me amnesty. Now you run out for me. You are a father and a friend. I call you my own bestie. I say you are a father and a friend. I call you my own bestie. Papa no be lie, me I can't lie for this platform. I go talk am as e be. This life no go make sense. This life no go make sense without you, honestly. This life no go make sense without you, honestly. Now you the pamper, now you the love, now you the set compass without masset. Now you the pamper, say now you the love. When they don't book boats, walk out they go. You know say for you to catch up, you don't need to book boats, you walk on top water. When they don't book boats, the merchandise, you know say for you to sail through, you don't need to book boats, you walk on top water and you catch up. Who reach you? Heaven and earth they adore you. Men they bow before you. The 24 elders when they bow na glory and they talk. Because they see different passions of you. See different passions of your doings. Me I for not take this platform they talk like this. If not be you where they pamper, if not be you where they show mercy, if not be you where they show love, if not be you where they front movement for me, if not be you where they carry me, if not be you where they anchor me, if not be you where they open doors for me, if not be you where they say they speak on my behalf when men they backbite me. You be everything where I get. Say out of my belly shall flow rivers of living water, like Niger Delta. Since I know you, I know the wrong kitty kitty, I know the wrong kata kata, I know the wrong helter skelter. You are my refuge and my fortress, that you be my perfect shelter. Who reach you for this constituency? You are called the monarch of the universe. That is why you are not a local government chairman. Monarch of the universe, now they call you. That is why you are not a local government chairman. You pick us from the miry clay, set us high above to stay. When men say there's a casting down, we don't need to gym because there's a lifting up. When men say there's a casting down, we will not need to gym to say there's a lifting up. God of capital, God of hallelujah, God of wonders. My men from the south side call you Osalobua. Some of them look like you call you Tamuno. Some say you be ele to marry. Some from the east say you Chineke Binigwe. Some they call you Ikukwama Nonya. Hausa men look, you call you Serikin Salama. Now you be Serikin Salama. Meneida Kasoni Haka. But in I do when we say you love me like this. If not before you pop see me, I don't know where for day. My aim for the life now to project you, because you deserve to be known. Don't know how sleepless nights jam us, but you came through for us. You became our intro, you became our spokesman, you became the one that this life will not really make sense without you, senior. Senior, you send your only begotten son, make it come anchor for us. Lord Jesus, me I can't take your place not your place. Everything where man be, now God na make am. I say anything where man be, now God na make am. Men they travel go Dubai just to go seek for pleasure. But you, there's nowhere to go. You are your own environment. That is why you created everybody to bring you pleasure.
Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy. Sing about your grace. Now you they bust my brain every night and day. Daddy, where they pamper, daddy, where they bless. Forever you're my father. Now you they give me rest. When I look around. 'cause now you will be the best. Even when I fall your hand, you still there hold my hands. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, sing about your grace. Now you they bust my brain every night and day. Daddy where they pamper, daddy where they bless. Forever you're my father. Now you they give me rest. When I look around, I see your faithfulness. I bow down on my knees, 'cause now you will be the best. Can you just minister to the Lord? Can you just minister to the Lord? Think about your life. Ashota, leke parashada, aratayada bayadada. Where would we have been if not for Jesus? What would have become of us if not for Jesus? Arate, ikanande, ilataya. Yes, we are bound before the best. Yes, we are kneeling before the best. Truly, you are the best. Yes, you are the best. You were never selected. You were never elected. Your position can never be contested. You are the best. 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 Hey, Satayana. Ekatadadadadadadadada. Ekatayadadabadadadadaba. Even when I fall your hand, you still there hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace. Now you they bust my brain every night and day. Daddy where they pamper, daddy where they bless. Forever you're my father. Now you they give me rest. When I look around, I see your faithfulness. I bow down on my knees, 'cause now you will be the best. Daddy where they pamper, daddy where they bless. Forever you're my father. Now you they give me rest. When I look around, I see your faithfulness. I bow down on my knees, 'cause now you will be the best. Think about your life. If not for Jesus, where would you have been? They would have laughed at us. They would have laughed at us. He took away our shame. He took away our shame. Took away our sickness. We would have been forgotten, but we are yet lifting hands today. We are yet lifting hands today. Even when we disappoint him sometimes, he does not disappoint. Even when we fail him sometimes, he does not fail us. Even when we fall his hand, he can never leave our hand. Ontokopo, Rondo Koposeda, Renemia Casando Kafenida.